Hello. Yes. So, in our last stream, what we did, we'll just go through it. So, where is my scene, car chase scene? So, yes, we created all our four main police cars, which were SUV police car, sedan police car, muscle police car, and sports police car. And they have different speed, damage, and traction. So, we'll today create our main cars, main five main cars, which will be this SUV, this default one SUV, this one, and second one will be this pickup truck. Third, this is a sedan. Fourth will be this muscle car, and fifth will be our last sports car. And I'll add a special car which will be this monster truck, and we'll add this ambulance to gain our health in the game. Okay. So first will we want is our pickup truck is this one. We'll drag and drop here, and next we want this sedan. I'll name this sedan. Sedan car. Oh my god. Sedan car. And third is our muscle car. Muscle 2 or muscle 1? Uh, I think we'll add our muscle 2 car, and I'll name this muscle car or whatever. Pickup truck. Okay, one, two, three, four. Wh- which uh, which one was our sedan car? This one, SUV default car. So one, two, three, four. Fifth will be our sports car. I'll drag and drop over here. I'll name this sports car. And last, our monster truck. Okay, so I'll just turn off the script. So we have our main six cars in our game. So this one first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, the last one. Okay, so first we'll go line by line. So for this pickup truck, we want to add a parent. So this will be pick pickup truck parent. We'll drag and drop here. So this is our mesh renderer. So we'll name it pickup truck body. Okay, and same for the wheels. We'll do front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, and rear right wheel. Okay, so we have a parent. So I'll just do same thing. We'll add our default car controller. I'll rename this. We'll just name it car controller. Okay, we'll add a rigid body and a box collider, and for body we'll add a mesh collider, which will be a trigger, and we'll add a motor sphere from where our wheel will move. Okay, so first I want is our script, default car script. Okay, I'll disable this our SUV. Second I want is a rigid body. Drag will be 2. Was it 2? Oh, it was 0. Okay, okay. I don't need to give a drag here. We'll add our drag to our sphere. Numpad. Yes. Okay. So in here we'll do mesh collider. Okay, and we'll give it trigger. Okay, and we want to add a empty, not empty, 3D object cube. No, we'll add sphere. I think we want to reset its position. So here is our parent, here is our sphere. Okay, I'll first disable this nav mesh. We'll bring this up, little bit up to point 6. Okay, point 6. Point 6 is cool. Will increase. Do we need to increase this? But we'll place it at 0.25. We'll remove its mesh and we'll assign everything. Okay. So for this pickup truck, I'll just rename this default car. Oh my god, 100. I'll just rename this one to cars controller. Okay, so smoke particles. Okay, we need smoke particles input. Okay, all this we did in our last stream, so I'll just name it better. It will look better if I give it some space. Okay, we'll save, and forward speed will be, so first we need to check what is our forward speed for our SUV. So it is 30, so we can give it 40 or 45. I'll just give it 45 for now. And traction turn speed, I'll rename that. Where is our turn speed? I'll rename it to traction. Okay. Rotation speed, max steering angle is 2. Okay, max steering angle, I think so we want to increase. We'll control C. Okay, we'll leave it here. And traction will do 10 here, and for here we'll do 20, and rotation speed will be the same. We'll do 1500. Max steering angle will give it 5, and current wheel rotation, we don't want that. Skid marks will add it later on, and we'll give it a health. What was the health for our SUV? It was 1. So I think we can increase our SUV's health. So we'll give it a 3, and here we'll do 2. Okay, so here we'll drag and drop. Oh, we need to add a rigid body here, so we'll do rigid body. We'll give it a drag of 2 to check. We'll drag and drop our sphere, and all our wheels, front left wheel, front right wheel, front left wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel. explosion ps. So where is our explosion? We'll duplicate this one and drag a drop over here. Oops. Drag and drop over here. Rename it to and reset its position. So we'll play. Yes, looking good. Try again. Okay, need to restart. Restart. Okay, it is looking good. Explosion ps will be here and score. Score, where is our canvas? Here is our canvas. We'll drag and drop here. So everything is looking good for now, but I think it will give us an error. Okay, okay. So we'll disable our police car because it's saying set destination error. So we'll select our police car and we'll retry again. Input current wheel, current wheel rotation, traction sphere. Try again. Why is our sphere not rotating? Oh, okay. Okay, my bad. Hehe. So we'll try again. Pause this and we'll bring down our body to, we'll do point 11. Okay, point 11 is okay. So we'll do point 11 here and our parent will go at point 5. Point 5? Yes, point 5. We'll try again. Spacebar. Yes. So you can see our traction or drifting is much more better than our SUV, and speed is also better. Wheels are rotating or not, I don't know. We'll see this in our scene. Okay, wheels are also rotating, so everything is done, I guess. We need to give it a player reference. Here 2 player reference. Try again if it explodes or not, because we added our explosion ps. Okay, not working. I think we need to add year 2. It's not working. So we'll check here what we did wrong. Okay. I think our mesh collider is not detecting this cube. Explosion fire. Is it working here? It is working here. Pickup truck part parent. So we'll check if I accidentally remove code for our health. Okay. So we have health of 2. Okay, that's why, my bad. So here if it decrements, yes, it decrements. We'll go again. Yes, it explodes. Yes, very cool. Yes. So our pickup truck is done. We'll drag and drop. Okay, we'll drag and drop our pickup truck over here and we'll do the same. We'll disable this. So next we have our sedan. We'll press F. Okay. So we want to do the same for all the cars. So it will take some time. So we'll do sedan car parent, and we'll drag and drop our sedan over here and we'll reset its position, which is 000, and we'll add a spear. Okay, nice. We'll add rigid body here, drag of 2, rigid body here 2, uh, in our body. Okay, we have to rename this sedan car body, front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, oh, right wheel, and here rear right wheel. Okay, everything is cool. We'll add a mesh collider here, and we'll give it a trigger. Same, we have to add our car controller. This is our car controller. Yes, this is our, oh, okay, not this one. Cars okay, I will delete this one. So which is this one? Wheel collider. Okay. So we don't need this one. We need our cars controller. So we'll delete this. So here we want cars controller. So our pickup truck speed was 45, so we can give it 60. Our traction was 20, so we'll give it traction of 30. Rotation will be the same, 1500. Max steering angle was 5, so you can give it around 8 or 10. We'll try it. So rotation speed was 1500. Max steering angle, we'll give it 8 for now. Okay, and health will be lower because it's a normal sedan, and we have given health of 2. Okay, so here we'll do 4. Okay, so in here we want our rigid body of our spear, all our wheels, left, right, left, right, and explosion 2. So where is our explosion? We'll control D to duplicate. We'll drag and drop our explosion explosion PS. Okay, we'll reset its position and we'll try. Yes, very cool. So here we'll add our particle and same our score. So everything is looking good. We'll try this. Okay, so we'll drag our car over here to see. Oh my god, what just happened? Okay, we need to put it at point 0.6. So I'll try again. Yes, it is looking good. And speed is also better than our pickup truck. So our sedan is working, just we need to reposition. Oh, nope, it's looking bad. So we just need our body to be at. Okay, what will do point 0.5, point 0.11 and spear at point 0.5. So our value will be the same for all our cars because they have the same size. So we'll do point 0.11, point 0.11, and for our spear it will be point 0.5. So we'll pause this. Point 0.5. This will be around 0. Okay, not 0, then this will be around. Wait a minute. We have the same value for all our cars, then why is it acting so sus? So we'll reset all our position and we'll try to play. It goes down. Yes, that's cool. So here we'll do point 0.5. We'll do your point 0.11 and here we'll do point 0.5. Yes. Yes, this is working. Nice. So we need to give the same value for all our cars. But I think our traction or our max steering angle is bit point. Mm, what was our pickup truck's value? It was 5. So I can give it a value of 6. It was 2 for our SUV. So we can give it 3. 3. And here we can give it 4. So we'll try again. We'll change all our values when we create all our cars. So I'll give some random values for now. So next we have our muscle car. Where is our muscle car? Here is our muscle car. So we'll drag and drop it over here. Set active to true, and we'll do same. We'll first add a parent game object, empty game object. So I'll name it muscle car parent. I'll drag and drop this child to our parent. And I'll rename everything. Okay, I'll rename muscle car body, and here we'll do front left wheel, front right wheel, front not front, rear left wheel, wheel, rear, rear right wheel. Okay, so we'll first add a rigid body to our parent. Rigid body, yes, rigid body. After that we'll add a mesh collider, which will be a trigger, and a 3D object sphere, and we'll add a rigid body in here too. So drag will be 2. We can give different drag value. We can give different drag value to our different cars, but for now I'll leave it at 2. Okay, so here I'll add our script, uh, which was cars controller. Our forward speed for our sedan was 60, so I can give it 70. I will give it a 70. Our traction for our sedan was 30, so we'll do 40 here. Rotation speed will be the same, which is 1500. Max steady angle will be 5. Okay, we'll do 5. We'll do 5. And health will, I think we can give same health. Yes, we'll do a health of 2. We'll drag and drop a rigid body of our sphere, and all our wheels, front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, and rear right wheel. And we need our explosion, so I'll control D to duplicate, drag and drop our explosion particle. I'll rename it to explosion fire. Okay, so I will drag and drop our particle here, and score will be same, which is our score text mesh pro. Okay, so oh, I need to reset its position. Okay, so here I'll do 0.5, here I'll do 0.11, and in here I'll do 0.5, and we'll test this too. So we'll try this spacebar. Okay, so I think our traction is too much for this muscle car. So we will change it later on. So I'll disable this parent and drag and drop over here. So next is our sports car. So same I'll create an empty game object which I'll name sports car parent and drag and drop over here. So I'll reset its position and rename it. I think I should. Yes. So this is our second last car, which is sports car. Sports car body, front left wheel, front right wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel. Nice. So I'll do the same. I'll give it a rigid body to our parent mesh collider to our body, and we'll give it a trigger, and we need to add a 3D object sphere, and I'll remove its mesh renderer. We don't need our mesh renderer. So I'll add a rigid body here and give it a drag of 2, and we need to add our script, which is our cars controller. So here I'll do forward speed 75, I guess. Traction of, what was our traction, 40. So we'll do 50 here, or 45. We'll do 45. 45 rotation speed will be same 1500. Max steering angle was 5, so we'll do 6 here. Okay, 6. And health will be 1, and we'll drag and drop our sphere rigid body, left wheel, right wheel, left wheel, right wheel, and we need our explosion. So control D, and I'll drag and drop over here, drag and drop over here, and I'll rename it. And same text mesh pro score. So everything is looking okay for now. So 0.5, 0.11 and 0.5. I think it is a bit down, so I'll do 0.10. Okay, not 0.10, we'll do 0.12, 0.13, 14. Okay, we'll do 0.14. Drag. Okay. Hmm. We'll try this. Place it near our camera. Space. Okay, so it is looking good, but we need to change all the traction for our all the cars. So, and last we have our monster truck. Drag and drop over here. Create a parent for our monster truck. So this will be monster truck parent. Monster truck body. Just a second. And rename this front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel, and I'll enable this one. So here is our parent, so we'll drag and drop here and we'll reset its position, and we want to add a spear. Okay, so here we'll do rigid body, add our script. Here we'll do mesh collider, which will be a trigger, and here I need rigid body. Okay, so its drag will be 2 for now, and we don't need our mesh. So everything is looking good, so we'll do 0.5, 0.11, 0.5. Okay, so 0.20, 0.45, oh my god, 0.60, no, 0.80, what if I give it 1, 2, to 1.5, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.4, okay, 1.35, okay, 1.35 is okay for this giant police monster truck, sorry. So here is our, so I think we should also increase our spear. We'll do 2 for now. Is it working? Okay, we'll leave it at 2. We'll do speed of 45, so we'll do 30 here. Traction will be traction will be 40. Okay, traction will be 25. Our rotation will be 1500, and our steer will be 2, and our health will be, what is our max health? I think max health for what? Okay, lol. Okay, so our max health is 5, So we can give it uh, we can give it 8. Okay, we'll leave it at 8. Drag and drop here. Same for our wheels. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. And our particle. Okay, now this one. Where is our particle? We'll do Control D. Drag and drop here. Rename it. And reset its position. And drag. Oh, drag and drop our explosion and score 2. This is our parent, so we'll drag it to our scene. I think it's too short, like really. No, 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 it's not. But it's looking bit short, but let it be. Oh, what? What happened? We'll remove our rotation speed for now. I think something went wrong. Oh, okay. Oh, so I think we should do 0.8 or 0.81. Okay, 0.82. No, 0.83. No, 0.85. 0.85. Okay, we need to change our body to 0.85. 85. 0.85. We will try again. Yes. So our monster truck is also working. I think I have given more traction for our monster truck, so it looks like it is an RC. But we'll disable this and we'll try all our cars. So what I'll do, yeah, okay, I accidentally made a parent to our sports car. Okay, where are all? So we'll try one by one and we'll change values for all one by one. Okay, I haven't given skid marks, so we'll do that. Here is our muscle car, and here is our sports car. Here is our monster truck. Everything looks okay, so we'll try one by one. uh, I think our SUV SUV's stats are okay. Its speed is okay. I think we can decrease its. Do we need to decrease or not? We can. What if I give it a traction of 1, so it moves really slow? Or 0 maybe. Max stare angle. Okay, max stare angle does nothing. So where is our max stare angle? We'll do control F. Max staring angle. Okay, it does nothing. So what we'll do, grab this and press our back key. So I'll remove our max steering angle. So we don't require that. So we have a traction of 10 for our SUV, which is okay, and we'll do 12 here and try 30, 35. We can do 35. Yes, and we'll try again. I think I have to give a lower value to our SUV, which is 5. We'll try this. This one is looking okay. So what we'll do, we'll increase it by 2 to our in our pickup truck. hmm. 5, we can do 6 here, and speed of 35 is okay for our pickup truck. So for our sedan, we'll do 40 or 45 maybe. We'll check that later on. We'll try this. Our sedan is looking good. Speed of 40 is okay for our sedan. So in our muscle car, speed of 70, oh my god. Speed of 50, traction of traction will we can leave it at 8, and we'll try now. Hmm this one is okay, like okay. So in our sports car, we have speed of 50, oh my god. So we'll do 60 here, and traction of 10. We'll try this one. Oh, boom. or we can increase its speed to 70 because it's our second last car, and it will be a bit expensive car, so we can increase its speed. So 70 is okay, I guess. So we'll leave it at 70. Our forward, our speed for, we can give speed of 40 to our monster truck, and traction of, traction is 6 for here, 6 here. We can give traction of 6. We'll try this. Array. Yes. So this is looking okay. So I will just add a parent for all these cars. Here I'll write all cars, and I'll drag and drop here and place it here. Oh, we need our SUV. What? Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, what happened to our SUV? We'll try again. Okay. I'll delete this parent. And I forgot to reset its explosion PS. So I need to do that. Muscle car explosion 0 0, sedan explosion is 0. Nice. We'll try our sports car if it gets one hit. Yes, one hit. So our sports car has much more speed and traction, but it has only one health. Yes, my game. So we'll create a garage to store our all our cars. Where is my scene? Demo UI. So in here, what I did was create same. I did same UI but a different scene. So it will load our scene in different scene. Yes, that's it. So here we want to create a garage. Okay. uh, Okay, nice. This one is looking okay. So we need to create a garage. So we will create a garage. I'll remove all of this. Okay, and I have a garage. This one. I'll drag and drop here. I'll name it garage. Okay, I think so. I should remove. I have removed import camera and lights. Okay, nice. So we'll do Control Z, yes. And I'll unpack this one and rotate it. Pew. To minus 180. Nice. And I'll adjust our main camera. We don't require this car because we have our own car. We'll remove that later on or now. I'll just boom edit. So I need to set an angle for our garage. uh, I'll set it to 15. Okay, this is looking okay. And I'll set a height of 2. And we need all our cars. Okay, so in our prefab, all vehicles. We don't need bus, fire truck. Delete. We need this. We don't need limousine. Delete. We don't need muscle car. We need our same for this one. SUV want. So we don't need our roster. Where is our roster? Here is. And SUV taxi, we don't need taxi. Delete. Truck, we don't need truck. Van, we don't need van too. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 cars. And I'll unpack this. So I'll take a short break, and after that we'll create our garage. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, we'll start to make our garage. Okay, so we need to rename all. Nice. Sedan, go here. Monster truck, here. Muscle, muscle. Okay, here. Pickup truck. What is this? Oh my god, we don't need this. Okay, we have both sedans, so I'll just delete this one. Sports car here, and SUV will go here. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'll arrange this line by line. Okay, very cool. And we need to reset its position. Okay, here we just need to rotate its position. So for that I'll create a script in our garage. I'll call this rotate cars. Okay, okay, so we want to rotate all this at our y-axis. Okay, y-axis. So remove everything, and I'll create a variable for that, private rotation speed, private float rotation speed. And in our update I'll do transform dot rotate. In our x it will be 0, in our y it will be rotation speed into time dot delta time, and in our z it will be 0. That's it. We'll try. I'll add our rotate car, and I'll give it a value of 50 for now. And when I play, you can see our cars are rotating, so it looks a bit weird. So what I'll do is remove all this. Yes, and I need to bring my we need to align all our cars to this garage. So we need to check for all our cars. So we'll do one by one. Remove this. Looking good. For our pickup, nice. for our sedan, nice. For our muscle car, okay, not bad. And for our sports car, for our sports car, we need to place this a bit up, and our in our for our monster truck. Oh my god. So what we'll do, place this at 1 point. Okay, 1.24 is okay. Nice. So when we play, all our cars are rotating, but I want it to rotate anti-clockwise, so I'll just do -50. Nice. So we want to create a shop system. Shop system. I'll name it shop system. So I have created a note for this. Yes, we add car controller for all our cars. We have done this. Add garage UI, create stats for our garage. So we need to achieve both these things today. Nice. So in here, we'll do private int. I'll name it current car index. Okay, to store our index, and we need a array of our game object to store our game objects. Car models, I guess. Okay, nice. So in our start, what we first have to do, first create an array. Yes, we have created an array. Set the index value to 0 using player prefs. Okay, so here what we'll do is current index value will be player pref dot get int, and we need to give it a name, string, selected car maybe, and here we'll do 0, and after that we'll add for each loop in array and set game object to false. Okay, so in here for each game object we'll name it car. In car model we'll do car dot set active to false, and after that we'll do car model dot model array current index dot set active to true. Okay, so we need to create a private function for this, so we'll do change car, I guess. Change car, or next car. We'll do next car. We'll name it next car. So in here, first disable all cars, increment that and we have to check if it is maxed or not. If yes, then okay. So first we want, what we want is, yes, we want this. After that we want to increment this one, and after that we want to check if, what we want to check if the current index is equal to our max index. Current index is equal to yes, and here after that we need to enable selected car. Here we'll do car model current dot set active to true, and after that we'll do player pref dot set, we'll do set selected car to our current index. Okay, and we want to call this in our update if input dot get key down key code dot space is next car. Okay, nice. So in here we'll drag and drop our shop system, and we want to add six elements. So SUV goes here, pickup, sedan, muscle, sports, and monster. We'll save this and we'll play. Yes, it is working. When I hit my space bar, you can see we can select our cars. I think the camera is bit up, so I'll pause this and I'll focus to my camera, and I'll bring this to 1. Okay, we'll do 1 and we'll try again. Yes, you can see our garage is looking good, but we want to add stats to our cars. So in here I'll just rename it to cars in garage. So in here I'll create a slider, UI slider. We'll press F, and I don't want its handle, so I'll just remove that. We'll do 2 4 2. Okay, 2 4 2, and I'll place this over here and F, and I'll just bring this over here. Minus 200, minus 350 minus 200 is looking okay, but I think it should be at it should be at minus 220, 220, and this should be minus 450. Okay. So I have to create SUV stats. Okay. And I will create a text mesh pro and I'll name it speed and give it black color and bold. So it should, its font size will be 20. And what I'll do here is give it a whole number and will do speed will be 4, and we need to enable our SCV to get the color. So here in our fill I'll just take this color. Nice. Control D again and place it here, I guess. $235 and name it slider again, and this will be our traction. Okay, and our traction value will be 2. We will do Control D again, slider, and this will be our what was its value? Oh, so I'll do 270 and this one will be 200, and I'll name this one health. Okay, health. Nice. And health will be 5. So we are done with our SUV's stat. So you have to create this, all the stats for all our cars. So what I'll do, Control D and name it pickup stats and disable this one. And I need to change its color. I'll disable our SUV, enable our pickup truck. and I'll change its color. Nice. So its speed was its speed was 4. Oh my god. So I think I need to change its speed to 3. So it will be 4 for our pickup truck. Traction will be 4 and our health will be 3. So our pickup truck is done as well. So I'll control D this one, turn off this pickup truck, and I'll name it sedan. Stats. Okay. So I'll enable our sedan, which is yellow, and I'll grab fill and change it to yellow color. So our speed, so our speed will be 6. Okay, our speed will be 6, our traction will be 5, and our health will be 2. Done with our sedan. Disable that sedan stats. This will be muscle. Oh, this will be muscle stats. Okay. Disable our sedan, enable our muscle car. You can create your own stats, but I I will use a slider for this one. So I'll do like this. Okay. So our speed will be 8. Our traction will be 7. And our health will be, we can leave it at 2. Or we can give it health of 3. Okay. So our muscle stats is also done. Disable our muscle stats and duplicate it again, and I'll name it sports stats. Okay, enable this one. Any questions? No. Nice. So in here we'll do the same. We'll grab our fill and change it to red or whatever that color is. I don't know, I'm colorblind. So our speed will be 10. Why isn't it showing 10? I think our fill Our fill should be 10. Okay, so it will be minus 14. I don't know what's wrong with our traction, but our traction for this will be 9, and our health, unfortunately, it will be 1 for our sports car. Yes, disable this. Control D, Control D. We'll name it monster truck stats, and we'll enable our monster truck. Oh, okay. We'll give it blue color, and our speed will be 4. Our traction will be 5, and our health will be 10. Yes, 10. So same for here, we'll do minus 14. Yes. So we are done with our stats. I'll create an empty game object, parent game object. We'll name it cars stats, and I'll put, what is this? Oh, so new, because I have created everything is working, looking good, everything is looking good. So same in our shop system, we want current car stats index. Okay, or I think what we'll do is create a parent and car stats. Okay, so in here we can do the same here for each game object stats, stats in our car stats, stats dot set active will be false by default, and after that car stats will be true. Okay, so I think we don't need to create car current is incrementing, but in here we'll do car stats will be same false, if current is and current is equal to our car stats dot length, then our car current index dot set active will be true as well. So we'll try this. So in here 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we'll drag and drop our stats. Oops. Muscle car, sports car, monster truck. We'll enable this and we'll play. Yes, you can see here our stats are working, which is very cool, and we'll add our UI buttons back. So if I play, you can see our garage is working good. So we have our SUV. Okay, so we need to give name for all of our cars. So for that we'll do the same, but in here uh, we'll create a text mesh pro f. Oh my god. Okay, control C again. Text mesh pro. Nope. So I think we need to add our text over here. I don't know. What if I create a text mesh pro here? Yes, it is showing here. So we'll do same. We'll do minus 35, minus 90, and I'll name it SUV. Center of our screen is 70. Or we'll just leave it here. So we have created our garage. We just need to toggle it. So for that we can create a script called toggle garage. Okay. Yes, I've created a script. So in here, what I'll do, create a public void. I'll name it toggle garage. I've created a public function for this, and we need a serialized field private boolean. We'll name it as game object active, and we'll do true here, and we need reference for serialized field private game object. So what I need is, we need to turn off our garage, our stats. Okay, our garage. Wait a minute. Okay, so we need this car garage parent, stats parent, and our garage. So what we'll do is cars, comma, uh, garage, cars, comma, garage, comma, stats. Okay, cool. So here I'll do is game object active. Yes, we need this, and after that we'll do cars. This one garage. Your stats. Very cool. And we will add. Okay, I'll just turn off this, and we'll add this garage toggle script here, and we'll give our reference garage here and stats here. Okay, so by default all of this will be disabled. Okay, and in our garage button we need to set our function. So in here garage toggle, we need toggle garage script, a function. So when I click, yes, it is working, right? Nice. So here you can see here it is, when it is true, it takes our boolean, and I'm hitting my space bar key, and it changes our cars and our stats too. Nice. I think I should create a single script for our main menu, and we can give different variables for that. So I'll name this garage. So this is our garage value variable, and I'll name this one garage toggle button. Okay, nice. So in here I'll add another header, and I'll name this one play, and after that, why is it showing error? We'll do serialize field private. Okay, for now I won't be giving any. Okay, so first what I'll do is play button. I'll create a script, I'll create a function for my play button. So I'll do play op button. Okay, so in here I'll do using unity engine dot scene manager. So we'll get our scene manager dot load scene, and name of our scene is car chase game, or we'll do one because we set set our scene to our build settings. So we'll check once again if we have set our scene to our build settings. Yes, we have car chase game, which has a value of 1. So in here, ow, that's, I don't know, it's looking kind of bad. So what I'll do is here select field private game object garage serialize field private private game object stats. Okay, so we need to give reference once again because we renamed all. Okay, we don't need to give a reference. So in our play button we need to drag and drop our parent main screen toggle garage. I think I should rename it. I'll do main menu script controller, main menu controller. Okay, so we'll try to play. Yes, we are in our game. So after we hit our garage button, Oh, wait a minute. If we go to our garage and we select our car, and after that we can play our game. Oh, nice. So we don't need to create another back button to go back to main screen and continue with our game. So I think we should create our settings. Okay, so okay, I'll create settings menu. Okay, we'll create an header for our settings. In here we'll do serialize field. We want a reference for our slider. What? Okay, we need to add using unity engine.ui, and we'll get slider music slider sound slider. Okay, settings, I'll name it settings button public void settings button. And we'll first print settings is settings button is working. Okay, we'll first test this if our button is working or not. So in our settings button we will drag and drop our main parent, and in here main menu controller, where is our what I have named settings button. Where is our setting button? Settings button. Oh my god, I'm blind. So if we play and we hit our settings button, it says setting button is working, which is good, very good. So in here what we want is we can toggle our button. Yes, we can toggle like this. Okay, so we will not require button, a back button. So we'll set it to toggle, and here for now I'll create a parent, oh sorry, child, and I'll name it settings screen. Okay, and inside here I'll do I'll get a text mesh pro, and here no I will require a I need a slider. So in here slider, and we can toggle that slider. I think we should increase its size a bit, like this. We can give it a value of 3. Okay, very cool. And I'll create here a child. Okay, so we'll name it music. Okay, bolt, and auto size. Nope. Then we need to change its color. We can leave it as white. Okay, and we'll place it here. Okay, same. I'll call this music slider. Music slider. We'll control D, bring this down a bit. Minus 150 is okay, I guess. No, then minus 180. Yes, minus 180 is. So I'll name this sound slider, and I have to rename its text. So I'll name this sound. Okay, and I'll place it over here. So we can toggle this. Okay, so we'll do the same as game object equal to or not game object active. So to create another game object private, or not here, here serialized field private slider sound slider, here serialized field private game object settings screen, and in here we'll do settings screen dot set active will be the same as our game object is active or not. So in here we want to give a reference to our music slider and our sound slider and our parent. So we'll try. Yes. So our garage is working. We can turn off our garage. We can go to settings. We can increase or decrease our slider, music slider or sound slider. Okay, we can turn off our settings. We can play. Yes, and after a break we'll create a pause menu and resume menu. Okay, so we'll take a short break here. Hello. So we'll continue with our UI. Okay. So we have created settings which is looking bad, but we'll change it. But our garage is looking really cool. So what we'll do now is we'll change our garage a bit. Like it's white everywhere. So in our material I'll create a folder for our garage, and here I'll create a material for our sofa. So we'll do m underscore sofa, and we'll give it give it a color like uh, somewhat yellow or cream color is okay, and we'll drag and drop this to our sofa. Okay, it is bit okay. And for our walls, where is our wall? Plane, cube. Hmm. Bottle, bottle, lamps, lights. Oh, so we have to change this template. So, oh, why did I create? Oh my god. So, I'll create another material for our template. We'll name it m underscore template. M underscore template. Okay, so I think we should give it a grayish color like this, but we have given a grayish color. बुलाया प्रतीक, प्रतीक बुलाया तुझे. So we'll add cream cream type of color. So I'll leave it here, and we can arrange this. So I'll grab this and place it over here. I'll rotate this at 0, and place this here. Okay, so it looks a bit okay than previous one. I'll place this here. In our next session, we will add our world, cause our We'll add a city, low poly city. We can change our FOV too if we want. Place this here, and same for this cube. I don't know why they name this cube, but we'll leave this here and try again. So I'll disable our garage, enable our main screen. Okay, okay, we have to enable our canvas. So mm, it is okay, it is looking good. When we can go to settings. Okay, so the issue is when we open our garage and simultaneously when we open our settings, they both merge. So we have to give it a condition. Where is our settings? Okay, so we have to give it a condition. When our garage is true, when our garage is true, so by default our setting should be turned off, or vice versa. So in our shop system, will do so I think we we will need our update for this one. So in our update, okay, so in our update we'll check if I hit my garage key. Okay, wait, so I think I should add garage button, garage buttons reference, serialize field, private void, private button, garage button. Okay, okay, so we have a reference for our button, garage button. So same for our settings button. We'll do button settings button. So in here we'll check a condition if is game object active equal to true, If it is true, then we'll do settings button dot image dot color. Color will be green for now. We'll check if it is looking okay. If not, we'll change that. Is grounded, is game object active? We'll do same here. If it is true, we'll do garage button dot image dot color equal to color dot red. We'll do red for our garage. I'll remove this update function, and we need to assign our reference, which is our garage button and our settings button. So in here I'll drag and drop my garage button and my settings button, and we'll check. Oh, I forgot to give an else condition. So it was, so our logic was correct, but we haven't given a else condition. Else settings button dot image dot color be equal to a default color, which was white, and same here. Else garage button dot image dot color equal to color white. Okay, we'll try now. Settings, yes. Garage, yes. And same for our play button, but we can do in our inspector pressed, we will change its color to yellow. Okay, we'll try this one. Save it. Pressed, yes, it is working. So we have created a play button, settings button, garage toggle button, and what we need now, we will change our settings later on because it's too basic for now. So we'll go back to our game scene, which was this one. And we have to give player tag to all our cars. Player, player, player. Same for our body. Player, player, player. And we will check health. of our cars. We play 2, 1 and 0. I don't know why it got lagged, but I'll try again. 2, 1 and last 0. Yes, it is working. So our pickup truck is working. We'll try for a sedan. It has a health of 2. Yes, it is working. And now our muscle car, which also has health of 2. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, okay. So I was watching Sedan's script. My bad. So 1, 0. Nice. Same for a sports car. Oh, wait a minute. I should turn off this. Nice. And now our monster truck. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, it is working. But now we want, if our car collides with this objects, they should be destroyed. So in our condition here, we want other dot game object dot set active to be false. We'll try for our monster truck. Okay, we'll play. Oh my god, I don't know why this is lagging. I think this is because I'm moving my wheels in fixed update. So in here, where is my update statement? Late update here. So we'll put it to fixed update. Now it is working. So our health goes 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Oh my god, what just happened? I think it exploded and I think its collision got deactivated. I don't know what happened, but so we'll try again and I'll just give this value of 1 and I'll keep it to 2 true and try again. Oh, so I think my collision gets or my wheel. What if I remove my wheel? I'll set it to trigger. Hmm, that's why. But I have given a condition. Take damage and it to explode and after explosion my game object should be game object dot set active should be false. We'll try this one. Okay, we'll try again. That's the issue. What I can do is I can grab my virtual cam, which is cinematic virtual camera. In our component reference, we'll do serialize field private cinemat cinemachine virtual camera. We'll name it virtual cam, and in our virtual cam dot look at equal to look at it gets will be. What if we give this floor look at and phone? Mar mixer is playing CS2. Nice. So follow what we can do is, what if After explosion, we'll try it again. I don't know what's happening. Nice, nice. I'll play after 8 bar mixer. Yes. Hmm. So I think my spear. Okay, that's why. Okay. I want to learn unity. Yes, I will teach you Pratikyas. I don't know what's the issue, but I what if I add a box collider to it? Box collider, and I edit it. But the issue is our wheels will stop moving. Hmm. I'll keep it here. Okay. Okay. So after explosion, what I'll do is we were setting our parent to null. The speed of transform dot parent will be equal to, so here sphere dot transform dot parent will equal to transform. We'll try this. Okay. So where is our sphere? Here is our sphere. Why? Why? I have an idea. So I'll add a box, or I'll get a reference of our mesh collider. Okay, I'll get a reference of our mesh collider. Uh, in here, Cirrus field private mesh collider. We'll call it mesh collider. So in here, we'll just disable is trigger and convex. So in here, mesh collider dot is trigger will be false. We'll try this. I'll see if it is working or not. So I'll drag and drop my mesh collider here, and we'll try this. Oh, This one looks sick. Nice. Nice, nice. So I'll do the same for all the cars. So I'll turn off this one. We'll try for a mesh collider. So I'll set default value to 8. Nice. Nice, nice. It is working. So we should add to all our cubes. So I'll enable my muscle car and drag and drop my mesh collider. Same. I'll disable my muscle car and drag and drop it over here. Mm. Okay, everything is working cool. So I'll try one more time for our SUV. Boom. Nice, this is working. Okay, we'll set our health back to normal, which was 8 for our monster truck, 4 for our SUV. I'll rename this SUV car parent. Hmm. And I think everything is done for now, for today. So I'll end the stream over here. We added our garage, which was our main priority for today, and we fixed our collision and our cubes too. So, yes. Hello, Piyush bro, I know your name. Oh, hello, you know my name. Okay, I'll wait. Don't end live. Uh, okay, I'll wait 5 minutes. I think you are trying to. Don't end. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute. So say whatever you want to say in those 1 minute. I know your surname. Surname. Okay. Uh, very cool. You know my surname. Rathod. Uh, no. Surname. It's Marmik sir, Aryan sir, Gopal sir, Shashank sir. So it's not Rathod sir. Yes. So it's time. It's 7:45. I started at 4:45. So you guessed it wrong. My sir name are Shashank sir, Gopal sir, Marmik sir, and Aryan sir. Yes, and Pratik sir. Yes. So see you on Monday. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye.